Hello everybody, what's going on? So today I'm breaking down a massive week for NIO that mainstream financial media is completely sleeping on. We have got safety sweep in Europe and the delivery numbers that prove that three brand strategy is finally firing on all cylinders. So if you're holding NIO stock or looking for an entry point in 2026, you need to hear this. So let's get into this. First, let's talk about the Onvo brand. We just got word from the latest press conference where CEO William Lee teased the upcoming Onvo L80. Now, we already knew that L90 was a beast, but the L80 is essentially that same massive platform reconfigured into a dedicated five-seater. William Lee making a bold claim here. He expects the L80 to be the world's largest five-seater in the term of cargo space. Think about the strategic move here. For years, industry has pushed families into six or seven seaters just to get a large car. But there is a massive segment of buyers who don't need a third row. They need a massive trunk and elite second row legroom. So by taking L90 footprint and removing the third row, New is creating a space king that's target the heart of SUV market. If they nail the price point, this could easily become the volume leader for the Onvo sub-brand. Apart from that, why Onvo scale the mass market, the Firefly brand is proving that small doesn't mean compromise. At the recent Euro NCAP award, Firefly didn't just participate, it dominated. It took home the Safety Excellence Award for the small family car category. Look at this safety record: E NCAP 5-star rating, C NCAP 5-star rating, first place in occupant protection score for Euro NCAP 2023 to 2025. This is huge deal for neo-European expansion, I would say. In Europe, safety isn't just a marketing bullet point, it's the primary driver for the customer's trust. Winning World Urban Car for the Year at the New York Auto Show earlier this month was the appetizer. This safety award is the main course, I would say. It proves that NIO can build a car that is affordable, compact, yet safer than its premium legacy competitors. Now let's look at the hard data. We just got Q1 2026 delivery updates, and the growth is frankly explosive. NIO delivered 83,465 vehicles in the first quarter. That's a 98.3% increase year over year. Think about that, nearly doubling their volume in just 12 months. The takeaway here is diversification of risk. A year ago, NIO was heavily reliant on its high-end SUVs and sedans. But today, we have got a balanced ecosystem where the premium brand provides the margins and Envoy and Firefly provides the scale. March alone saw a 136% year-over-year increase. That isn't just a recovery growth, this is market share capture growth. So what does all this mean for the stock? We are seeing a fundamental shift in the neo narrative. The will they survive era is over. We are now in the how far they can scale era. Because of product momentum, the L80 launch in May is perfectly timed to capture the summer buying season. Then we have got the safety leadership. The Firefly Award paved a smooth road for European and Australian sales. Then we got the profitability path. With 83,000 quarterly deliveries, the economic of scales are finally kicking in. Analysts are also starting to take notice. We are seeing a consensus shift with 22 buy rating currently on the board. The market is finally realizing that NIO isn't just a car company, it's a multi brand technology platform. The bottom line: NIO is currently doing exactly what Tesla did during its massive run, expanding the product line vertically while building an infrastructure moat that competitors can't easily replicate. Between the massive cargo capacity of the upcoming L80, the award winning safety of the Firefly, and a near 100% year over year growth in deliveries, the momentum is looking undeniable here. For the long term investors, the pieces are finally falling into the places. The blue sky vision isn't just a slogan anymore. It's appearing in the quarterly reports. And because of these new launches, I would say that quarter after quarter, Neo's balance sheet is going to improve, their profits will improve, margins will improve, and because of that, we will also see some good momentum in its stock price as well. So hold tight.